All right, so we got a Whirlpool refrigerator side by side. Problem is, refrigerator is not cooling. Compressor is not coming on. So follow along as we check voltage, check the relay and capacitor.
It could be the whole thing.
Oh, yeah, that's done.
Oh, yeah.
Customer wanted to know what would happen if we install a new start device.
It was working fine. It is something because last year we replaced the capacitor and it was working fine. But I did it. So I took the whole thing out so I can put the capacitor in.
This compressor is shorted. Pretty much just fridge is done. Unless you change the compressor.
It's not worth it.
Nah.
I used to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe if you got one, maybe you could try it. No, the breaker went off.
Yep.
It tripped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, because both.
That
of
makes
them are-
sense.
Yeah.
And that sounds right. That's what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Totally tripped the breaker. Because again, it's all about resistance. Wow, so it did trip it right away. Yeah. Full short, full short. All right, so we have a Whirlpool. This is on a side-by-side unit. I was on a call and the compressor was shorted. So it was best to just replace the refrigerator. So we do have some components here and want to show you how to check them in the event you're having some problems with your refrigerator. So we'll start off with the thermostat. Now, if your unit is dead or silent, not doing anything, first thing you want to do is check the thermostat. Now, to do that, you can do it up here or take the two wires off, which is the best thing. It's easier and it's faster. You'll have to remove this 2/4 inch screws, and you will have a couple of screws along the edge here. And what you're going to do, remove these connectors, pretty straightforward, and you're going to get your meter, set it to continuity. Make sure the fridge is unplugged. All right, set your meter, continuity. When you hear the beep, all right, and if it's good, you'll hear a beep. To verify, you can turn it off. No beep. So this is working correctly. Turn it on and off. All right, so this portion is working good. Now, for example, if you did not get a good beep, so yours is bad, you can do a temporary bypass, and you'd basically get a small piece of wire, insert into these, and that will run your unit only for testing. Do not leave it in because your fridge will just keep running and running. It will not turn off. But to verify that it's working, you can do that. All right, now we're going to be checking the relay. So if your unit is not cooling properly and you notice there's a lot of frost on the back wall, that means could be a bad heater or it could be a bad defrost board. Easy way of checking it, once you remove this from the unit, you're going to look for the black wire and a red wire. You can see the orientation of my plug. Make that a pink wire, not a red. Pink and black. You'll need a magnet, and this relay is nothing more than a switch. The system turns it on when it's time. So we're going to activate it. We're going to close the contacts in the relay. If it's good, it'll beep. Remove, turns off. That's how your heater comes on. All right, guys, thanks for watching.